What's up guys, welcome to HintFlow. Today we are going to download a video from Instagram. After this video, you'll be able to download any video from Instagram. We are going to use an app called Videoda. If you haven't installed Videoda onto your smartphone, check our previous video on how to download and install Videoda onto your smartphone. Open the video you want to download. Click on the three button at the top right corner. Click on copy link. Click on download. You'll be prompted to sign in. Click sign in. Next, fill in your Instagram credential. First, your phone or username and then your password. Once you are done logging in, the link to download the app will show. Click on 720p HD. Click on start download. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a thumbs up and your thoughts in your comments below.